family, what's going on? Well, I'm Fariha back with a new lesson on Sweet Talk. This video is just part 1, so let's begin. Actually, no one wants to learn English slowly. Every learner wants to learn English as quickly as possible. That is why I've put together these amazing tips that will help you become a more fluent and confident English speaker by using the most effective methods and learning strategies. I'm also gonna explain how can we do more in English. Don't just listen the tips, start implementing today. Make sure you watch it till the end to never miss a single tip. The effective tip number 1 is set a goal and create learning strategy. Let's suppose you currently have a B1 level of English. Great, this is a good level to have. However, your goal should be to have higher level by certain time. For example, you can say I want to have A1 level of English within a month or 2. This goal is specific and has a deadline. The goal should be attainable but ambitious. If you make it unrealistic, you'll soon give up. If you make it too easy, you won't see any real progress, and that is not exciting, so you will soon give up. So I suggest to please set an achievable and realistic goal. Now, if you have your goal, it's perfect time to create your learning strategy. This consists of 2 things, that how much time do you spend learning English per day, and next is what you do. You need to get both of these areas right. Use the rest of tips to help you come up with the right strategy. This video only contains 3 tips and remaining tips are in the upcoming video. Now back to the point, which brings us to the second tip. And the second tip is learn English every day consistently. This starts with the commitment to do something in English every day. But why every day? Because it's what you need to do if you want to learn English fast, and it gets you into the habit of doing something in English. Look, you can't expect to improve quickly if you only attend language classes twice per week or you do self-study twice in a week. The world has changed too. We can now access unlimited resources to connect us with our learning. So find which source is best for you. Daily practice is a fantastic habit. So practice daily for amazing and magical results. Guys, again reminding that this part 1 only consists of 3 tips and remaining 4 tips are continued in upcoming video lesson. So wait for it. Now our third tip is surround yourself in English environment. Now create the perfect English learning environment. You've probably heard others say this before, right? But here's the twist. People also say to converse in English with your family members at your home. But what if your family speaks your mother tongue or native language? So here comes the solution. I believe you must have a phone. Well, obviously you have it because you're watching this video right now. So I suggest listen to English things in your phone, read things in English, watch things in English. So here's the strong connection to your brain, and this is the strong reason why so many people recommend this. Now it's over to you. Which tip is the most powerful one? Which one are you going to implement today? Let me know. I am waiting for your comments. So here we go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, do comments, share and subscribe to keep me motivated. I post new videos twice in a week on Wednesday and Saturday, so visit my channel these days for English improvement. And wait, don't go out of your home. Be safe from Corona. Have a good day.